Hey, don't do what I did. If you're working on a Buick 2001, 2005, 3800 motor, did all type shit, bought all type tools to take these heater core hoses off. If you got a Dremel, the best thing to do, I done bought this big ass pliers, long pliers. If you got a Dremel, get up in there with the Dremel, with the drill bit, or like with the diamond drill bit, and go to work with it. This one almost done. I don't even know what y'all can see on it. Let me see. Can't even flip it around while it's in motion, but there you go. That's the best thing to use, man. All that other shit, that motherfucker off. Get the Dremel with this bit on it, man. Dremel with this bit. I done bought motherfucking $80 worth of pliers. I bought these, them two. I bought another pair. Yeah, the Dremel for the heater core hoses, man. That's the lick. Peace.